So, not our actual repairman journey. We are headed up this hillside where we located distribution boxes, 2 different ones for 2 separate fields. But in order to do that, we have to crawl through these bushes. And then we gotta uncover the dirt on top of the lids to those distribution box tanks. So that's what we're doing. Ouch. A rose bush. Look, the reason I'm doing this one is because not everybody's going to believe me when I land in a nursing home or something, making stories up. I remember this one time we climbed up on the side of a hill through the bushes.
Cut the trail.
And start singing Sound of Music. Oh.
I'm not taller than 50 foot. Because we're well above the roof line of those sheds.
Yeah, it's only supposed to be 50 foot.
Yeah, we'll do that one.
Here's the first one. We'll bring you back whenever we get to digging.